Hey everyone, this is Mike the Accessible Traveler, your guide to the world. Sit back and relax while we share with you the accessible side of Disney. We will show you the rides, the shows, and everything else accessible throughout the most magical place on Earth. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. And also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be navigating the Jungle Cruise via my mobility scooter. I'm going to be riding through this gate where this cast member is, and I will be pulling my scooter right up onto the Jungle Cruise boat. Now, if you have a wheelchair or a standard size scooter, you can easily access this boat as well. This ride is probably one of the most accessible in the Magic Kingdom for this reason. Now, you'll see as I'm approaching, I'm on the little wooden gateway here, and I'm waiting for this young lady to open up the gate. She was having a little bit of trouble. She has to lay the ramp down a little bit further so she can get the kick plate underneath. There she goes. Now she'll be able to open this ramp up, and I can easily drive my scooter right up on. And once I'm up here, they put a rubber thing in front and behind my wheel so I can't move by accident forward or backwards. Once I'm secure, they will turn this whole platform that I'm sitting on so I'm facing forward in the boat, and then they use a button to lower me down into the boat, so I'm about the same height as everybody else. It's a very nice ride. You should definitely try it. It's one of the most accessible rides in the Magic Kingdom. Enjoy the ride.
All right, let me lower you down here. All right, with the other people. Oh, wait, no. Oh, look at that. I guess. There you go. All right, you have fun.
Okay, well, I want you to take those handles, please, princess. You go sit right next to my skipper or in the middle, Rach, your choice.
All
Middle or
right.
skipper.
Okay, right here.
Yeah, you can sit right there beside you or in front of your house.
Clear reverse. My big head's gonna be in reverse.
Well, yeah.
Oh yeah, of course it is. Clear. How'd that feel?
I feel like the Queen of England.
You put like things with your wheels so you
Yeah.
don't slide all over. I should take it.
All right, guys.
Graceful. I'll take some pictures.
All right, Skips, toss them in. Toss them in.
Going straight up front, staying on this side.
I've been waiting all day for some more victims today. Oh, wait, I forgot. I can't call you victims. We're friends. I've been waiting for friends all day. You said it, not me.
You'll be sitting right here where I'm standing.
Hey, you're sitting on the magic box. You know why it's called the magic
Right here
box?
behind me, princess.
We couldn't call it the snake pit anymore. Watch your head, watch your step. Use those handrails, guys. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs in the boat at all times. Parents, watch your kids. Kids, watch your parents. That's the most important. Are we clear? Are we clear? We are clear. All right, guys, everybody pick up your favorite hand and wave goodbye to everybody on the dock. Wave goodbye. You're never going to see them again. But you probably never saw them before, so it doesn't really matter. Alright guys, my name is Skipper Cassie, and I will be your dance instructor, your social director, your guide for the next 5 days here on this Jungle Cruise. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. Alright, we are entering into the Amazon River, which is in the Amazon rainforest. where it rains 365 days a year. That's almost every day. We've got some beautiful plants here in the jungle. I love plants. I'm sure you'll learn as we go along. Alright, coming up on your left is Inspiration Falls. People ask me all the time, Cassie, why is it called Inspiration Falls? And I say, because it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Now, if that is not inspiration, I don't know what is. Alright, everybody close your eyes. Alright, open them again. We are now entering onto the Congo River in Africa, and we will see how far we can go. Alright, if you've never seen the Jungle Book before, it's right there. Check that off your bucket list, because you're good now. Well, they normally throw you guys a welcoming party here on this beach, but I don't see anybody. Canoe? Yeah, it's probably because I don't have any friends. I'm just kidding, you guys are my friends. The party's on this boat. Surprise. Oh, it looks like we have a huge python up ahead. They can grow up to be 24 feet long, but don't worry, they're very friendly creatures. But they can develop a crush on you. I wouldn't get wrapped up in that. It's a very constricting relationship. Oh, I was gonna stop by my camp, but it looks like my in-laws are in town, so I don't think we're gonna do that today. But it does look like they got my Jeep to turn over. I've been trying to get that started for weeks and weeks and weeks. I've had to walk to work every day. It's such a far walk. Alright guys, close your eyes, open them again. We are now on the Nile River. And it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in Africa, yeah. On your left, we have an African elephant. Does anyone know why it's called an African elephant? Yeah, we're in Africa. Good listening. All right, this one speaks. Speak. Louder. I trained him myself. He's really great. All right, up ahead, we have a beautiful rock formation. A lot of people take it for granted, but it's one of our bolder attractions here at the Jungle Cruise. I did not want you guys to miss it. We are now entering onto the African Veldt, where we have some wildebeest, some giraffes, some zebras, and oh my gosh, look at those nice lions. They're protecting that sleeping zebra. We love friendship. It's so sweet. He looks dead. Tired. Dead tired, that is. We're just gonna let him rest in peace with those lions. Oh my gosh, guys. Do you see this? Do you see what I'm seeing right now? There are so many rocks on that beach. I've never seen so many rocks in my entire life. Oh, and it looks like the Jungle Cruise band is here too. Looks like they didn't listen to me when I told them not to be the low man on the totem pole. But it looks like they got the point in the end. Alright guys, I'm going to take this time to point out some of my favorite plants here in the jungle. You ready? They're beautiful, aren't they? Alright, up ahead we have Schweitzer Falls, named after that famous jungle explorer, Albert Falls. Feel that mist. That mist feels so good on this 100-degree day. Feel that mist. You know, there's 6,000 different kinds of tropical bacteria in that water, so just think about that. You know, sometimes people ask me, Skipper Cassie, how did you land your job here at the Jungle Cruise? Well, it's plain to see I took a crash course and I've been winging it ever since. My career's obviously taken off. That's why I'm still here. You know, sometimes when you enter into the jungle, you start to smell. Danger, that is. Smell danger. These hippos look very friendly and very cute, but they are known to charge boats. But they will never charge my boat. You know why? Because I only take cash. Well, it looks like we are not out of the woods yet, guys. See all these trees? We're still here. Looks like we are entering into headhunter territory. It's not a very good place to be headed. You can ask my old crew right there. I don't know if they'll answer you though, they're a bunch of boneheads. It looks like the dancing natives are doing a little dance for us. It either means one of two things. They lost the key to the men's room, or there's an ambush. If you guys see an ambush, let me know. Just let me know, okay? Hey guys, we're trying to find an ambush. Have you guys seen an ambush anywhere? No? Okay, well they were no help at all. I'm glad we didn't see an ambush because that would have been just dangerous. Alright guys, we are coming up on the 8th wonder of the world. The one, the only, the backside of water! Woo! Clap! Clap! Yes, clap! Woo! Wow, that was great. Alright guys, close your eyes one more time. Open them again. We are on the Mekong River now in Cambodia. It looks like there's an abandoned temple up ahead. Do you guys think we should go in? No, guys, I don't agree with you guys. I don't think it's safe. Alright, well, it looks like we're going in anyway. So I've got an idea. How about you guys keep your eyes open and I'll keep mine closed and we'll get through this together. Oh my gosh, guys, it's worse than I thought. It's a root canal. Alright guys, did everybody make it? Raise your hand if you're not here. Alright, we'll come back for you later, it's fine. We can't stop though. Alright, it looks like we're entering into a sacred elephant bathing pool. Don't worry, take all the pictures you want. They all have their trunks on today. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that baby bathing under a full moon. Isn't that sweet? That's so sweet. Sometimes the elephants like to spray our boat. Stop! Oh my gosh, stop. I tell them every day not to spray our boat and they just try to spray us. It's so annoying. Hey! Stop! Stop! They're like children, I swear. Hey! Hey! Thank you. They just don't listen. Ever. Alright guys, I'm going to point out some of my other favorite plants here in the Jungle Cruise. Got that green one right there. That brown one. And another green one. That's it. Those are all the important plants here. Alright, up ahead on your left we have our head salesman of the jungle, Trader Sam. He's having this great deal now. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Any takers? No. Oh, you? That little guy right there? Yeah, well, no matter what, the way you slice it and dice it, you'll always come out ahead. Alright guys, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs in the boat at all times. Parents, watch your kids. Kids, watch your parents. Is everybody having a great day today?
Yeah.
Staying cool, drinking water. Yeah, all I drink is jungle water. See that water right there? That's what I drink. It's great. Keeps me very hydrated and very energized for the day. What'd you say? Some people do that. I don't like to do that though, because I like hippos. They're my friends. My only friends. Except for you guys. You guys are my friends, right? Just nod. Just lie to me. It's fine. I'll cry about it later. It's okay. Well, you guys have been an outstanding crew for me. But in just a minute, I'm going to need you outstanding on that dock. Well, guys, we laughed together. We cried together. We nearly died together. Makes us like a family. But just like any family, 10 minutes together is way too much, so I'm going to need you to get out. I'm sorry, that was so rude. Please get out. Just a second. Stay seated, stay seated. Alright, now get out.
Watch your head, watch your step.
I'm just kidding, please get out.
Watch your head, watch your step. Use those animals, please.